this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear wheel bearing on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. Using a 19mm socket, remove the 4 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a flat blade screwdriver, remove the cap out of the drum. Using a 29mm socket, remove the spindle nut. I have my puller set up on the car to pull the drum off. I'm using the claw from a slide hammer kit. I'm using the spindle from a 3-puller jaw. Bolt it to the drum. Hold the drum using a pry bar. Start to pull off the drum. With a 3-jaw puller set up, I'm going to remove the inner race for the bearing. Using a pair of snap ring pliers, remove the snap ring. We're going to use a cup and place our drum right on top of that. You want this cup to be able to be the size of the wheel bearing that you're about to push out. You can use a 34mm socket. Remove the wheel bearing. Install the bearing into the drum. Push until it bottoms out. Install the snap ring. Make sure it's seated. Install the shim into the drum. Now this is ready to go back onto the car. Install the drum. Get the spindle nut started by hand. Snug down the axle nut. Torque the axle nut using a 30mm socket to 174 foot-pounds. Install the cap. Tap it into place. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug down the lug nuts. Torque the wheels to 94 foot-pounds in a cross pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.